Okay, hello, I am Bayu Laksana. Welcome back to my prototype. Now, after I explain about my prototype in InVision, which is the low fidelity, and now it's the time for the high fidelity prototype in Adobe XD. Okay, there is so much improvement from the original websites, like the colors, the design, the layout, the component, the icons, uh, pretty much everything changed. Let me explain a little thing about this page. So this page is landing page. When you first visit the website, the design is simple and I try to apply gradient colors here and a simple touch about orange color and blue. It's just so beautiful. Okay, there are the navigation bar here. It's now fixed. As you can see, it's now fixed. This is the hamburger menu for opening menu. So this is the logo of Spear Online Jobs, and this is for account. Okay, there are three menus that appears in this place because frequently users tend to access it often. Problems, status, and contest. And this big tags, okay, and two buttons, login and sign up, and this illustration. So, oh yeah, um, at the very bottom is the footer, just like another website. Okay, let's just do a login. Okay, now the login form. The login form is not located at different page, but it is overlaid on those page. Okay, so basically there are two input field, username and password, and we can do a sign up from this, and if you forget your password you can just click this. Okay, let's just assume this field is filled. Okay, login. Now this is the next landing page, another landing page when you are logged in. Yeah, it just gives you basic information about the core of this websites, like you learn programming, there are problems, you take the challenge, and yeah, just like that. The navbar is still the same. Let's just go to the problems. Okay, now this is the problem page. Well, as I explained in InVision video, now the problem list is provided with search bar, no, search form like this. So you can search a problem quickly. And then if you want to find a problem with specific tag, now you can do it in this box. You can find a tag, then, or if you don't want to find, then you just need to pick up the popular tags available here. Okay, the problem list is using the table. It contains information about the ID, the name of the problem, and the acceptance percentage. Okay, let's just go to the problem. Okay, so this is the problem description page. I will explain a little things. This is the breadcrumbs where you can see where you at now. The title, of course. This is the code of the problem. This box contains information about the other, time limit, memory limit, search limit and research. Originally, this box is located at the very bottom. It's hard, not it's hard, it takes time to look for that. Usually, programmers needs to see the time limit, the memory limit immediately. So putting this at the very top is the solution, of course. Okay, now this is the description. Just like the other online chat, the description provides you the description about the problems and how to solve it, not how to solve it, and what to do, the input format, the output format, and the example. Okay, and of course the submit button. Originally the submit button is not floating like this, but it's yeah, again it's like that at the very bottom, like in here, and now I move it like a floating button so it can visible from any view on this page. So let's choose the submit the solution. Okay, this is the submit page. It has a very different design from the original. You can still see this information, and then there are three forms. The first form is the drop-down list containing the list of available language, and now it has information, this choose language, to provide the novice users. What is that? Just, yeah, this is used for choosing language. And then upload your file, uploading your source code, of course. Or if you don't want to, you can just write your code here and we are good to go. You can submit or you can back to the previous description. And for our case, let's just submit it. After you submit your solution, you will be redirected to this page. It calls My Submission page. Okay, I will explain something. Typically, online chats, when you submit your solution, you will be redirected to global submission or your submission status, just like this. In this case, I redirect it to your local submission because I think it makes sense that your solution will be judged and you will see your result on your submission history. That makes sense, right? Okay, so as it is what it is, the My Submission page will gives you information about history of your submission, of course. And for one submission, they are not using table but using a list with detailed information. There are the title, and yeah, if you want to see your source code, you can just click on this view source code, and then this is the runtime you achieve, and this is the memory, and the color box here shows you the status: accepted for green, wrong answer for red, and etc. Yeah, it is the functionality of this page. Okay, I also did something very minor thing. This is the menu. You can see more detailed menu in this in this overlay: problems, status, contest, ranking, discussion. Just like that. So we've covered everything from my task script. We log in, we find a problem, we submit the problem using the preferred language, we see the submission page here, and yeah, I think that is all. There is nothing I can tell you more. So thanks for your attention. Sorry for any mistakes. Bye bye.